Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can connect your TCL Android TV with your AirPods. So if you have these AirPods and you want to connect them to your TCL Android TV on your remote. So on your remote you should go to the top right corner in the settings. In your settings, go to remote and accessories and go to add accessory. Click OK. And now on your AirPods, press this button, open them and press this button on the back. Keep pressing it until the white light starts to blink. As you can see, my AirPods are now showing up. I can click OK on my remote to get them paired. Pair. And now my Bluetooth AirPods has been paired with my TCL Android TV. I can use them. Now the audio of my TCL Android TV will come through these AirPods. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.